Today, I'm going to guide you through the entire process of transforming a single, lengthy recording into a complete library of viral-ready social media clips using Vizard. We will cover everything from the initial upload to building a full week's worth of automated posts that effectively run themselves while you sleep. I will show you the exact workflow that stops you from wasting precious energy and explains how to tweak your settings so the AI actually surfaces your best, most engaging moments. Most editing tools just chop files into pieces, but Vizard is fundamentally different because it understands structure, emotional highs, and information-dense moments. That means significantly less guesswork, fewer hours staring at a tedious timeline, and way fewer missed opportunities for growth. Let us start by heading into the Vizard dashboard to upload your long video, and I will walk you through a practical example using my own content. I recently filmed a 12-minute personality-driven review where I played a character named Kong, a laid-back gorilla persona who talks about new tech tools. The raw footage is rich with material, including an intro joke, a hands-on technical demo, and a dramatic reveal that works perfectly for short clips. Instead of manually scrubbing and exporting 3 separate videos, I simply upload the entire file to Vizard and let the system do the heavy lifting. Once the upload finishes, Vizard runs a deep scan and populates your suggestions view, which is where the real magic begins. Many users get overwhelmed here and accidentally over-edit, but my advice is to focus on the prioritized hotspots the AI identifies. These hotspots are based on pacing, sentiment, viewer attention patterns, and engagement signals, so they are generally quite accurate. You can preview each suggested clip in mere seconds to determine if it truly lands as a standalone piece of content. If a clip needs a tiny trim or a faster punch-in, you can simply nudge the in and out points directly within the interface. Let me share the exact structure I use for the Kong series, because planning your scenes beforehand prevents you from creating disconnected, useless videos. Scene 1 was an intro where Kong delivered a tight, catchy hook and a clear promise to the audience. Scene 2 functioned as a demo, showing me typing on a laptop and clearly explaining a specific technical tactic. Scene 3 was the big reveal, utilizing dramatic lighting and a powerful takeaway message to close the loop. Those 3 beats mapped perfectly to the short-form content formula of hook, value, and reveal. In Vizard, I tagged the full video with chapter markers like intro, demo, and reveal to help the algorithm prioritize those segments. If your original footage lacks explicit chapters, just include verbal cues like first takeaway so the AI's natural language processing can easily pick them up. Vizard's engine uses multiple signals like voice energy, camera cuts, and gaze tracking to score every moment of your video. That quick one-liner that lands with a laugh gets a high score, while the 2-minute walkthrough with filler talk gets a lower priority. The system automatically packages these selections into vertical, square, and landscape variants, with captions already baked in. You essentially get a suite of publish-ready assets in just a few minutes, which is the biggest advantage of this workflow. With Kong, the AI suggested an 8-second hook, a 22-second demo, and a 12-second reveal, which I approved with minimal tweaking. The entire process of refining the clips and generating the captions took less than 10 minutes to complete. Vizard is not magic, however, so you still need to help it by planning your content scenes and providing context through your delivery. Always remember to keep your character elements consistent, such as wearing the same outfit or maintaining a similar setting, so the clips feel like a unified series. Once the clips are ready, Vizard's auto-schedule tool becomes your best friend for maintaining a consistent posting rhythm. You can pick a posting frequency, like 3 times a week, and let the AI handle the timing based on when your audience is most active. The content calendar allows for easy drag-and-drop management, so you can tweak a thumbnail or swap a caption without needing to re-export the video. Some people prefer manual editors like CapCut, which offer great creative control, but they are significantly more time-consuming for rapid content cycles. Hiring an agency is another option, but they are often too slow and expensive for the volume of content needed for modern social media algorithms. Vizard hits that perfect sweet spot by combining intelligent AI selection with just enough manual control to keep your personality human and relatable. Consistency is truly the key to building an audience, and Vizard helps you maintain that recognizable look across dozens of shorts. Furthermore, the analytics integration means you can iterate, showing you which hooks drive watch-through and which thumbnails convert best. For your practical routine, try batch uploading multiple long videos and letting Vizard process them overnight while you sleep. When you wake up, all the hotspot suggestions will be waiting for you, turning your mornings into a productive review session. Finally, exporting and pushing live is effortless because you can publish directly to your socials or download the files for manual distribution. Because Vizard creates multiple aspect ratios and caption sets automatically, repurposing for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts becomes completely frictionless. If you are trying to scale your content output without sacrificing your creative quality, this is absolutely the workflow you should test. You will get consistent, shareable clips that actually reflect your unique voice rather than feeling like generic, templated nonsense. Remember to plan your scenes, upload the raw take, review the AI hotspots, and let the scheduler take over the distribution. It is how I turned one single Kong episode into multiple platform-ready hits without ever losing the character or the core story arc. Try batching a week of recordings, set a simple posting cadence in the calendar, and let the system do the heavy lifting for you. Your feed will thank you, your audience will grow, and you will finally have the time to create your next big long-form project. Catch you in the next breakdown, where I will show you how to run A/B thumbnail tests and set up performance rules for your best clips. Until then, keep creating and let the technology handle the busy work.